Hi there, and welcome to week 5. This week we're going to get into sandwiches and hors d'oeuvres, as well as touching on international cuisine. On the front home page of our basic foods class, you'll see in the news column that I've added an overview for this week for you, as well as a reminder that we have an optional Zoom session here from 8:30 to 9 a.m. this Wednesday, April 22nd, with the link here to click to join the meeting, as well as new this week, there from now on will be a password. I have included it in red and larger print, hopefully to catch your eye. Also check out these great opportunities this week. On Mondays, if you haven't caught them in the last 2 weeks, for the third time now, Chef Long is doing a 5-minute demo, 5-minute meals here. And then also this coming Wednesday, it'll be right after our optional Zoom session. Susan Nodder, an executive pastry chef, she just competed in the Culinary Olympics in Switzerland, I believe it was, or Germany. In any event, she is going to be doing a chocolate tempering live class on Zoom, and I have the link there for you. Actually, it's on Microsoft Meetings, but I have the link here for you so that you can join in. As always, don't hesitate to reach out to me with anything that I can help you with. Let's go ahead and dive into the class. Here we are in week 5. In this module, it'll start off as usual with your overview and checklist. Again, this video that you're watching should be located right here. As we continue through the lesson content, I've included an overview of sandwiches. This is a video lecture of mine that I'm going through the PowerPoint presentation that I've included right here for you. There are some pictures and other identifying factors that I want to make sure that I really hit home and you hear in my voice. Then I have a link here. This is over 80 sandwiches from different cuisines around the world. It's really a phenomenal site. It has great visuals as well as some nice ideas there for some sandwiches. Here I include an overview, again another lecture overview of my PowerPoint, which is included here, on hors d'oeuvres and canapés. Canapés are a specific type of hors d'oeuvre, so this is more concentrated on an overall hors d'oeuvre viewpoint, but I do include canapés in there. Then I have a page specifically on the different types of starters. Again, just re-emphasizing what an hors d'oeuvre is versus an appetizer versus an amuse-bouche, and go through some different international starters as well. This is a fun video here, taking tater tots and making, I believe there's 8 or 9 different canapés, different hors d'oeuvres with just a tater tot base. It'll take about 45 seconds of your time and is so well worth it. Then I get into a little bit of sushi. There is a video here, again, just a few minutes on a beginner's guide to sushi, when you're ordering sushi and, just basically how to get started and some basic terms in there. Then I have, this is a link here. Unfortunately, the first minute is kind of selling the video, but it really talks well about what constitutes fish as being a sushi grade. I think it's a really important concept, and he does a really great job explaining it. I've uploaded a Word document here of different flavors, different common foods, just different items that you'll find in different cuisines around the world. It's really not a complete list. Instead, it is more so to give you some different ideas. When it comes to flavors around the world, really the geographic area, if it's surrounded by water, it's going to have a lot of seafood. If it's not surrounded by water, it's going to have a lot of land animals and land meats that are included. Really looking at what indigenous products are grown there, as well as what neighboring countries can influence those cuisines as well. And then I thought this was a great graphic on several different regions of the world and spices that are very predominant there. So that's just a great reference guide for you. Moving on to your assignments then, I have your study questions for chapter 27 and 29 as normal. These are uploaded here for you to, again, download and save, edit, save, and then reattach and drop into the Dropbox there. I have your second makeup lab ready to go for you. We'll be making salads, sandwiches, as well as hors d'oeuvres, and they're specific to different regions of the world, so that way we can also incorporate that in there also. I have the lab assignment attached for you. Please review and do your recipe cards and your preparation timeline as you had done last week. There is one quiz this week on chapter 27 and 29, as well as a discussion topic on what's your favorite sandwich. The sandwich is your favorite lunchtime fare. It's great to hear what everyone's favorites are. I'll also include mine in here as well. I have just a few additional resources here for you. I felt I had already showed you enough videos and included enough content, but these are the top sandwiches, top 10 pick of all-time sandwiches that I thought was a cool video. And then more importantly, this how to make 12 types of sushi. There's a chef that actually is breaking down each of the fish and, transforming it into different sushi dishes. This is from Handcrafted. It's a Bon Appetit. It's a series that is now on Netflix or Hulu. It's really a great series of these videos. So I wanted to include it for you, but it's a little lengthy and goes a little bit further in depth than what I really wanted to touch on this week. So this is optional, of course, here for you, as well as the Week 5 Q&A chat room. If there's anything on sandwiches or hors d'oeuvres, again, any further information that you'd like to include or comment on, just to keep a further discussion going, this area is here for you. Have fun in Week 5, and as always, let me know right away and directly if you have any questions or anything that I can help you with. Thank you.